In this AI training, I'm going to show you how I use this AI video generator to set up a simple system that has so far earned over $10,094 promoting itself. Now, the best part about this is there's no technical experience required, there's no need for advanced video editing skills, and there's no large upfront investment. In fact, if you stick around for the next few minutes till the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get started for as little as $1. It's really simple. Here's how it works. We're going to grab a few affiliate links of proven to sell products. That's products that are already selling. People are already looking to buy. We just have to get them to buy through our link. We're going to let AI bots build our content to promote those products, and then we're going to watch the bots schedule out the content automatically. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and that's exactly what I want to show you, how I've used these simple AI generated videos on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, and Instagram to earn over $10,000 in affiliate commissions using a tool that basically sells itself. So if that sounds good, let's jump into the exact steps that you can follow. So before we go any further, there's only so much I'll be able to show you in a quick YouTube video. So if you want the full checklist and webinar on exactly how I turn these short videos into money, you can grab that from ProfitPassively.com. So again, make sure to stay until the end of this video to learn how you can get started doing all of this for just $1. And be sure to comment yes on this video if you want a robot that earns money for you while you sleep, because ultimately that's what I'm showing you how to set up here, how to set up an AI bot that can earn you money around the clock 24/7, 365. So here are the exact steps. Step one is to redirect an affiliate link to a catchy domain name. So just like I have ProfitPassively.com, you're going to want to pick a domain name, a website name that is catchy that you can say in your videos. So then all you have to do is redirect an affiliate link. That's the link that's going to make you money. That's a referral link if you're new to all this. And by the way, if you don't have any of these, there are hundreds inside of the checklist at ProfitPassively.com, so you can head there right now and sign up for some of these referral links. So then you'll actually have a link that makes you money. So step one shouldn't take you more than 10 or 15 minutes to sign up for a referral link. Step two is to set up an automated email sequence using AI. So you're going to be using AI, and you're going to be using a tool that you can grab at funnelsforever.com. This is an automated email tool here. So it's as simple as setting up a trigger. So this is when somebody opts into your email list, it's going to trigger this, and then we just have a simple delay, and then it sends them an email, and then another delay, and it sends them another email. So here's why we want to do that. Here is what the system looks like overall. So if we look at the steps, then we're going to create AI generated videos using a tool at oneclickvids.com. Then we're going to schedule a month's worth of content using a tool at automatedreels.com. So I know that's a lot to take in. Here's what it all looks like in a visual form so you can understand what's going on. We are going to use AI to generate videos. So that's what these shapes represent here. This is a phone screen with a little play button on it. So we have these AI videos getting generated. We're going to use these videos to send traffic to an email opt-in. And then once people opt into the email list, we are going to send them over to our affiliate link. This is the link that makes us money for whatever it is. Again, I am, in this case, promoting an AI video generation tool. But the reason we are going to send them to this opt-in page first is because if they look at this offer and bounce and leave and decide they don't want it, that's okay, because tomorrow they're going to get an email reminding them about this offer. And then the next day they'll get another email. So what we've done is, if someone just watches one video and opts in, now we've multiplied our chance of making a sale by however many of these AI generated emails we've set up in advance. And of course we can generate these emails using ChatGPT just by clicking a few buttons. So this is how this system works here. Like I said, you're going to start by choosing a catchy domain name and setting it up with your referral link. Then you're going to set up an automated email sequence using AI. Again, that's ChatGPT to actually write the emails. And then all you have to do is copy and paste the emails into this tool at funnelsforever.com. So here's the tool, right? So we have this system where they opt in, and then we're going to send them emails automatically. So all we have to do is click here on edit and then paste in the, had an error there, but you're going to click here to edit the email, and then you're just going to paste in the emails that ChatGPT generates for you. Pretty simple. So then the next step is to create AI generated videos using the tool at oneclickvids.com. And so here's what that looks like. This is the tool I use to create these AI generated videos, and it's as simple as starting with an idea or a script. It's up to you. A script is obviously going to read your script word for word, where an idea, it's actually going to just, if you type in a sentence, it's then actually going to generate a script for you. So either way, it depends on how lazy you want to be. You can start with an idea. But we can use ChatGPT to generate this. So here I have it, generate 10 TikTok video scripts, and then I'll click start, and you can see here it's starting to write the scripts for me. So in a matter of seconds, I have 10 ready to go. So all I have to do is copy these, paste them in here, and then as you can see down here, there are a few different options here. We can add captions to the video. We can add animations. There's different voices we can choose from here, as well as different music that we can pick. And then ultimately, once we've copied one of these scripts and then we paste it in here where it says script, and we click generate video, and now suddenly we are going to have a video here that we can then just go ahead and post to our different social media accounts. So if we come back and we look at the steps, you'll see the last step, step 4, is to schedule a month's worth of content using a tool you can find at automatereels.com. Now what this tool is going to do is let us schedule out a ton of content in advance. So all we have to do is come here and click this generate video button about 30 times, and we'll have 30 videos here in our column here again, so we can preview this. So there we go, we have an AI generated video here. So now all we have to do is click this download button and then come over here, schedule these 30 videos into the spreadsheet. So here you can see, using this tool at automatereels.com, I can schedule this video to get posted to multiple accounts. So here, this one video is getting posted to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, another Facebook account, another Instagram account, 2 TikTok accounts, all from one upload. So you could see if you spend an hour or two uploading 30 of these, now suddenly you have a video getting posted every day for the next month, and all of these videos can be earning you money. So if we come back and we look at the diagram here, we have each one of these videos. Each one of these videos that gets posted has the potential of earning us multiple sales. So if all of these are generated with AI, we set all of this up in just a couple hours. Now you can see how this can earn you passive income on autopilot, all by clicking buttons, because all we're doing is clicking buttons to generate video scripts in ChatGPT. We're clicking buttons in ChatGPT to generate emails. We're putting them into an autoresponder here. We're putting the videos into an auto scheduling tool. So suddenly we can just sit back and watch the commissions roll in. So the last thing I want to show you, I promised you, those of you who stuck around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get started today for just $1, and that is by heading to oneclickvids.com right now, because I don't know how long this is going to last for, but right now if you head to oneclickvids.com, you can get a 30-day trial of this video generation tool for just $1. So you can start generating videos with AI for $1, start putting them on your account, getting hundreds if not thousands of views, sending those views to an affiliate link, and obviously the more clicks you get, the more sales you're going to make and the more money you'll earn. So hopefully that shows you exactly how you can get started with this, how you could do it for as little as $1 and potentially earn tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So that explains it. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to click the red subscribe button. According to my analytics, like 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. So if that's you, click the red subscribe button right now. If you want to see the videos as soon as they come out, click the bell icon so you get a notification on your phone. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a bunch of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.